Let's learn the CH, SH, TH digraphs from Reading Recipe. If you enjoy this activity, please like and subscribe. Ch, child. Sh, shoe. Th, thumb. Ch, chair. Sh, sheep. Th, thorn. Ch, chick. Sh, shirt. Th, think. Does the word sheep begin with ch or sh? Yes, it begins with sh, sheep. Does thumb begin with ch or th? Thumb begins with th, thumb. Does shirt begin with sh or th? Yes, shirt begins with sh, shirt. Does the word think begin with sh or th? Think begins with th, think. Does chair begin with ch or sh? Chair begins with ch, chair. Does child begin with ch or th? Child begins with ch, child. Does shoe begin with ch or sh? Shoe begins with sh, shoe. Does chick begin with ch or th? Chick begins with ch, chick. Does the word thorn begin with sh or th? Thorn begins with th, thorn.